What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this Mibro Watch GS. A lot of my subscribers and regular viewers have requested for this video. A lot of people have asked me, Han, should we buy Mibro Watch GS or not? Yeah, so that's why I have bought one and I have tested this only for you. So if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Okay. As usual, I have been using this Mibro Watch GS for the past couple of weeks. I think it's been 18 days already. I have started using this one on 31st May and yeah, well, after you watch through this video, you will understand whether I'm satisfied or not, how good is the performance. Yeah, cost per performance, everything, value for money, we will talk about everything. Let's start from unboxing, but before that, you can see there are a lot of things that Mibro has written on the box, like 24 days battery life, 70 sports modes, always on display, dynamic heart rate. I'm not sure what is dynamic heart rate. Well, there is AMOLED HD display, GPS satellite positioning, dual core master chip, 5 ATM waterproof. Okay, there are a lot of promises and a lot of nice things written on the box. Let's unbox, let's see what things I've got inside the box. I know I'm already wearing this one, but I have recorded the unboxing video earlier. After opening the top lid, the first thing you will notice is Mibro Watch GS. Underneath the smartwatch, you will also get a charging puck. Yeah, a very ordinary one. Underneath the charging puck, you will get a quick start guide and a user manual. Yeah, the quick start guide is a colorful one. Okay. After the unboxing, I need to share a few things with you. This Mibro Watch GS doesn't support Bluetooth phone calls, so if you're someone like me who wanna receive phone call on their smartwatch, you're not gonna able to do that. But this one supports Bluetooth 5.1 and you will get notifications like call notifications, message notifications, this and that. At the beginning, I need to mention clearly that Mibro claims that this smartwatch is built with metal. This one comes with metal body, but in hand it feels so very light. Yeah. Definitely in hand it feels so very light because the truth is only the upper ring is metal. The whole body is built with polycarbonate. This one feels like a very cheap smartwatch. This one is nowhere near to any premium smartwatch. Okay, I have checked the weight. It's only 56.1 grams including the watch band because the watch band is a very cheap and lousy one. I really wouldn't use a watch band like this with any of my smartwatches. There are two buttons on the right side. One is the home button and there is another button with red accent. That one is actually dedicated to sports mode. This watch is a sports oriented watch and it supports 70 different sports modes with a built-in GPS and 5 ATM waterproof certification. This definitely would be a good choice for different sports activities. Yeah, if this one works. Let's see whether this one works or not. A single click on the home button will wake the screen or enter into main menu or navigate back. The menu layout is like other smartwatches, it's easy and simple, nothing special. Mibro Watch GS comes with a 1.43-inch AMOLED HD display panel, 466 by 466 pixels. The edges are protruding and that actually protects the display panel from any accidental drop or damage. What makes me feel a bit disappointed is this Mibro Watch GS comes with a visible bezel. Yeah, there is a circular ring around the display panel and that's actually to cover the bezel, but I'm not sure why they have left a little part of bezel visible. Anyway, even if this is an AMOLED panel, this one doesn't perform like an AMOLED panel. Dark is not that black, white is not that bright, and colors are either pale or saturated. Mibro Watch GS has always on display feature. There are a few options to choose from. Yeah, this is a nice touch, but this feature drains battery faster than expected. The battery will get drained within 3 days. Moreover, as the display panel isn't protected with any sapphire glass or 2.5D glass, we need to be very careful while using this smartwatch. If I need to be honest, then I should talk like this, yeah. Always on display actually drains the battery faster. There isn't no good protection on the display panel, and if that's the owned, then okay, here comes some salt to rub on the owned. This one doesn't even have auto brightness, so we have to manually select brightness in some dim environment or in some well lit environment. It's really a bit of a bummer for me. Okay, let's talk about the features. By swiping from top edge, we can get the control panel. Inside this, we have settings, do not disturb, power saving mode, screen lock, QR code, and OK. When we swipe from the bottom edge, then we will get into the notification slide. Swiping from both the left or right part will actually let us change the watch face. It's a bit disappointing that there is no widget available. We can actually customize the sports button and add either heart rate monitoring or some other features, but that will disable the sports mode. Inside the settings menu, we can select vibration level, screen on time, display brightness, and we can also enable always on display. We also actually can change the menu layout. There is an option which calls app view. There are two different options and we can select the one that we prefer. Well, let's check other settings and features. We have do not disturb, connect to phone. Okay, we can select language. There are a lot of different languages to choose from. I think almost all the languages are covered. Next is power saving mode, and then we have power options like power off, restart, or let's get to recovery mode. Okay, at the beginning I have already shown that it says on the box that 24 days of battery life. Well, this Mibro Watch GS is equipped with a 460 mAh battery, and I have managed to squeeze only 7 days of battery life with my regular usage pattern and 10 days of battery life with basic usage pattern, like without any active health monitoring. And this one only offers 10 hours of battery life when we enable GPS. Yeah, it supports magnetic pogo pin based charging, and with the magnetic charging base, it gets fully charged within 1 hour, 2 hours, no, 3 hours. Yeah, it has a slow charging speed. Finally, let's talk about the health monitoring and sports modes. The thing is, these days almost all the smartwatches comes with heart rate monitoring, sleep time monitoring, SpO2, blood oxygen monitoring, stress monitoring, breathing practice, this and that, a lot of features. And yeah, I'm fond of these features because I use these features in my daily life. But this Mibro Watch GS has continued to disappoint me because sleep monitoring is more like hit or miss. Sometimes it records correctly, sometimes it doesn't. It depends whether this Mibro Watch GS wanna record it correctly or not. I don't know why. There is something wrong inside the algorithm. Sometimes when I wake up in the middle of a night and it wouldn't register or it wouldn't record that. Sometimes I lie down on my bed but keep watching my smartphone, but it will start counting like I have already fallen asleep. Okay, there is another thing, this blood oxygen monitoring. It fluctuates so quickly, like there is no stability. It constantly changes the number, the result, and it also takes long time to measure SpO2. Heart rate monitoring works okay. I have no complaint about that. And well, the stress monitoring is also a bit tricky. Finally, like many other smartwatches, this Mibro Watch GS also requires an application to pair this one with a smartphone. And the application we require here is Mibro Fit, which is a self-developed application by Mibro. I really like this idea that they have developed their own application, but I must mention this application is a bit buggy. In Home tab, we can get all the health and sports related measurements or numbers or all the data in daily, weekly, monthly or in yearly mode. But I also need to mention sometimes the data are not automatically synced. And another thing is this smartwatch gets disconnected from the smartphone without any prior warning. And even if this one is disconnected, it won't even push a warning. Well, the second tab is the device tab. On the upper part, we can get the updated status of our smartwatch, including battery percentage. And then we can sync watch faces, set up health monitoring. We can give permission for notification, motion settings, weather push, and also we can find our smartwatch through this application. Inside this tab, we also can do firmware upgrading and factory reset. And of course, we can delete a device at the bottom of this tab if we are not gonna use that device anymore. The last tab is all about the user. We can make permission settings and then there are some personal information. Then we can check weekly and monthly report, health report containing step, sleep, heart rate and blood oxygen. The user interface of this Mibro Fit application is really poor. I don't think it's well designed and there are some occasions when it has just got stuck. I had to close the application and then restart the application. So yeah, I'm not very happy with the performance of this watch and the application. Moreover, yeah, there are a lot of watch faces on the application, but it takes like ages to update or to sync a watch face with this smartwatch. I mean with this Mibro Watch GS. Yeah, there was a time when I felt like I could go to have a shower. Maybe even after my shower, the watch face wasn't already synced. It takes a long time. Yeah, there are a lot of watch faces, and yeah, there are different styles such as hot, classic, business, pointer, lovely, this and that, and many others. Well, finally, I believe in value for money. I believe in a very good price-performance ratio. If you ask me, yeah, maybe this Mibro Watch GS is a cheaper option than many other smartwatches, but I cannot recommend this one to my subscribers and regular viewers, because the thing is, the main purpose of having a smartwatch, this one doesn't serve that purpose. And that purpose is to monitor, to record our activities while we are doing sports, or maybe monitoring our health data, or maybe recording the sleep time data. This one doesn't do that well. Also, the battery life of this smartwatch is so very short comparing with many other smartwatches within the same segment, and it takes a long time to get fully charged. So no, I'm not gonna recommend this to my subscribers and regular viewers. So yeah, I'm not gonna leave any link in the description box below, but I have a request to you. If you have any other smartwatch in your mind which I should review, then please make a comment and let me know in the comment section. Also, if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.